build the SLS core stage and EUS. So in the case of a liquid hydrogen tank, which is what is being built right here this morning, it's comprised of 5 barrel sections, okay? So what you're seeing right here is the core stage 5, so the 5th core stage built here at the facility, liquid hydrogen tank, barrel number 2. So barrel number 1's complete, working on barrel number 2, 3 to go. But all of those barrel sections are built right here on this tool. So what we'll do is bring in our panel stock from all of our staging areas that we were just discussing out here in the factory, lay them down into the apron of the 115 floor footprint right here, and you can see one of those crates which is actually emptied, and we're loading barrels in to make these barrels, so great demonstration. We use the overhead cranes directly above us to lift those barrel panels up over the top of the second deck there and load them down into the vertical weld center. Once we have all 8 of our panels loaded into the tool, we will make sure that we've got all the fit-ups and tolerances exactly where we want them to be. And then on the rear of the tool, we've got the Friction Stir Weld pin tool, which we were discussing in the model room, that we program in, given the thickness of the barrel and the height of the barrel that we're trying to weld that particular day, and execute a Friction Stir weld until you've got a completed barrel. So each of these weld lands that you can see vertically on the barrel are where a Friction Stir weld has already been performed and post-weld prepped. So I don't know, Craig, where did he go? Where's our handler? Uh-oh, he's left the engineer alone. That's dangerous. I think we can walk around the back, but I'm not so sure on video back there, okay? So Jonathan, okay, so let's just take a walk around back real quick, and I can kind of point out what that Friction Stir weld head looks like to you folks.